Gravity, the force of attraction by which bodies tend to fall toward the center of the Earth. No matter how hard we try, the law of gravity cannot be defied, but we can control how we come down. Falls are second only to highway crashes as a leading cause of workplace fatalities. Each year, over 250,000 disabling injuries can be attributed to workplace falls. In this program, we will discuss the importance of recognizing and respecting potential fall hazards, the components of a personal fall protection system, and the proper use and care of fall protection equipment. The first step in preventing falls is to recognize and respect the potential hazards. Most falls are caused by either environmental or personal factors. Environmental factors include wet or slippery surfaces, inadequate lighting, changes in the weather, electrical hazards, mechanical equipment that may be moving, irregular work surfaces, and the constant force of gravity. Personal factors may include the use of medication, poor housekeeping, visual problems, inattention, illness, and improper use of tools and equipment. Since every fall hazard cannot be eliminated, respecting the hazards and following safe work practices is essential for eliminating accidents. When possible, engineering controls such as guardrails, scaffolds, and aerial platforms should be used. These devices offer protection from falls and can also safely elevate the work surface to the desired height. When it is not possible or feasible to use such devices, a personal fall arrest system must be used. A personal fall arrest system has three components: an approved anchorage point, a securing line, and a body holding device. The anchorage point is a secure place for attaching a personal fall arrest system. It must be able to support 5,000 pounds per worker attached and be independent from the means supporting or suspending the worker. You should be able to reach the anchorage point without exposure to hazards. The height of the anchorage point must allow the fall protection system to limit free fall to the shortest distance possible. A fall must not exceed 6 feet, nor allow the worker to contact a lower level. A lanyard or securing line is used to attach to the anchorage point. A lanyard is a short, flexible line made of rope, wire rope, or synthetic fiber. It must have a minimum breaking strength of 5,000 pounds. Do not tie a knot anywhere within the lanyard or straps. A knot can reduce their strength by 50% or more. The lanyard should be 6 feet long, plus or minus 2 inches. The lanyard must use locking snap hooks to attach to the anchorage point and the body holding device. The body holding device completes the personal fall arrest system. A full body harness is required. When arresting a fall, the full body harness lessens the jolt to the body by spreading the impact force over the buttocks, thighs, shoulders, and chest. It is recommended that body belts be used only as positioning devices and not for fall protection. Once you have been outfitted with a personal fall arrest system, you must also use a fall protection system designed for your work situation. When working on the roof of a semi-truck trailer, use this strap and harness assembly. The assembly provides anchorage points on the top of the semi-trailer. It consists of two 30-foot cross straps with ratchets, fixed D-rings, buffer pads, and flat hooks. Also included is a 50-foot center strap with ratchets, locking safety snaps, and a sliding D-ring. A throw line that is weighted at one end is also provided. You'll need a ladder tall enough to extend beyond the roof of the trailer and a tie-off to secure the ladder. As you lay out the straps, check them for tears or missing D-rings. If you find any defect, notify your supervisor and use another assembly. Position the 30-foot cross straps at each end of the trailer. Keep the flat hooks without the ratchet near the trailer. Find the center D-ring on the cross strap and snap the center strap to this D-ring. Position the 50-foot center strap along the length of the trailer. Find the center D-ring on the cross strap at the front of the trailer. Snap the ratchet end of the center strap to this D-ring. Locate the sliding D-ring on the center strap and snap it into the same D-ring. This makes sure the D-ring will be within reach when you move to the top of the trailer. Next, take the flat hook at the end of one of the cross straps, making sure it is the hook without the ratchet, and attach the throw line to this flat hook. Check around the entire trailer to be sure the area is clear of people or obstacles. While facing the trailer, toss the line over the trailer. Walk to the other side of the trailer. Pull the throw line and the cross strap over. Remove the throw line and place the flat hook on the bottom rail of the trailer. Go back to the other side of the trailer and place the flat hook nearest the ratchet on the trailer's bottom rail. Make sure the pad is behind the ratchet and operate it to tighten the cross strap into place. Repeat the same procedure on the other end of the trailer. Attach the throw line. Check for people or obstacles. Throw the line over the trailer. Pull the cross strap over, making sure the center strap does not get tangled. Place the flat hook on the bottom rail. On the other side, place the flat hook on the bottom rail and operate the ratchet to tighten the cross strap into place. Set the ladder against the trailer. The ladder should be extended so the top rails are 3 feet above the top of the trailer. The base of the ladder should be placed approximately 4 feet from the trailer. Use the angle guide posted on the ladder rail to help you set the ladder angle correctly. Climb the ladder. And using a tie-off, secure it to the D-ring on the cross strap that is closest to the top edge of the trailer. Clip your lanyard to the same D-ring and carefully climb onto the top of the trailer. Pull the excess strap through the ratchet and then operate it to tighten the center strap securely into place. Reattach the lanyard to the sliding D-ring on the center strap. You can now safely begin your work on the top of the trailer. Once your job task is complete and you are ready to return to the ground, switch the lanyard from the D-ring on the center strap to the D-ring on the cross strap nearest the ladder. Loosen the center strap and move to the ladder. Once you are on the ladder, disconnect your lanyard from the cross strap's D-ring and untie the ladder. Return to the ground and remove the ladder. Release the ratchets on both cross straps and pull slack in each. Move to the other side of the trailer. Remove the flat hooks from the trailer bottom rail. Make sure the area is clear and flip the cross straps over the end of the trailer. Repeat at the other end. For some jobs, you may need access to only part of the trailer's roof. Use one of the cross straps without the center strap to provide fall protection when working in a limited area. The strap can be positioned anywhere along the length of the trailer. When finished, disconnect all the pieces and roll up the straps. Always store the assembly in the bag provided to guard against damage. By using the proper fall protection device for a particular situation, you have taken a significant step in preventing falls. However, you are unprotected if your equipment fails. Before each use, a competent person must inspect fall protection devices. All items must be inspected for mildew, cuts, wear, and other damage and deterioration. Defective components must be removed from service immediately, and should be tagged or marked as unusable. The items should be destroyed if a qualified technician cannot make repairs. The type of personal fall arrest system that is selected should match the work environment. For example, you may need a different system if chemicals, dirt, moisture, oil, or grease are present. If you face any of these situations, ask your supervisor. Be aware of and respect potential fall hazards. Properly use the personal fall protection equipment provided, and always inspect, document, and maintain your equipment to ensure its reliability. You cannot defy the law of gravity, but you can choose how you come down.